Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you class 7th English. Now as we all know that this is our periodic 2 syllabus is going on. Now I had already completed 2 chapter and 1 poem, and this is our new unit. The name of the unit is childhood. Now in this unit, what is the thing that in previous chapter we know the value of the money, right? That time the parents did not allow to their children to giving a money because they thought, what if we are providing them money, they will spoil. What? They will spoil. So in that way, what is the thing that we learn about the value of the money, and if we are getting the 1 rupee in our life first time, then you will become a lots of enthusiastic, right? You are too much happy. Now in this unit you will learn about the skills, right? The adventures, right? We all know that still you are in your childhood age, but remember one thing. What is the thing? That you remember before the 4 or 5 years ago your experience. Might be it was a happy, might be it was little bit happy, might be it is a sad, might be it was a very thrilled experience. So in this unit, the name of the unit chapter 10, the forest lake. In this unit I will teach you the different kinds of the thing. I told you that you had seen the movie Jungle Book. In that movie we know that Mowgli lives with the wild animals like panthers, then wolf, bears, etc, 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 and apart from Sher Khan, who was his enemy, right? So in this unit you will learn this kind of the things. Here the comparison between apes and Tarzan. Now Tarzan, how did he spend his life? How did he spend his day? What did the new skills in his what is the new skill he learned? Another thing, that what will he do? How can he face with the lioness? Even how was he different from his brothers and sisters? Lots of things I will teach you from this unit. Now apart from the thing is what? You also learn such kind of the new things, right? Swim. He was different from his brothers and sisters. Now we have the question, sir. Who was his brothers and sisters? So the common question. Only and only who? Apes. Now we all know that who was apes. Who are apes? So apes is the one kind of the monkey, right? So these things I will teach you from this lesson. Now in previous lecture I gave you the objectives of the lesson. Even in this lesson I will teach you also that Tarzan thinks only what? That only the forest is the world. Outside of the forest there is no world. He never thought about it. Because he is living, he spent his whole day only and only the forest. Right? He was an excellent climber, but still he was how? Unknown about the outside of the world. These things I will teach you from this lesson. So now I will start to reading the chapter and explain that. When Tarzan was 10 years old. So the first question, how many years was Tarzan old? So he was 10-year-old at the beginning of the chapter, and he was already an excellent climber. He was an excellent climber. We all know that that monkey who are an excellent climber, but instead of the monkeys, instead of the apes, he was an excellent climber. He could also do many things on the ground that his little brothers and sisters could not do. So here the second question, what was Tarzan's skills? So what was his skills? That first skill was that he was an excellent climber, right? He was an excellent climber. Apart from that, he could do lots of things on the ground that his little brothers and sisters could not do. Like he walks on the ground properly on the 2 legs, right? So such kind of the things. So he can do, but his little brothers and sisters could not do. He was different from him different from them in many ways. In many ways, he was different from his little brother. They often marveled at his cleverness, but in strength and size was not match for them. See that. In what way? So here, in what way was Tarzan different from his brothers and sisters? So first of all, Tarzan was clever instead of his brothers and sisters. But here, if we talk about in the size of the strength and in the matter of the strength and size, he was totally different from his brothers and sisters. Here the word is that not match for them. It means what? To not as good as the apes. We have a question, how? So at the 10 years, apes were fully grown and some of them toward over 6 feet in height. So the word towards means very large and tall. At the age of the 10, the ape's height is 6 feet, even more than 6 feet also, while the little Tarzan was still about half grown boy. See here the question. So here we have a doubt. Sir, you have a doubt, sir, how can we justify this line that Tarzan was different from his brothers and his sister? Why the height differences between apes and Tarzan at the age of the 10? So we all know that our lifespan is, a human being's lifespan is 100 years. So according to them, that at the age of the 10 years, our height is only half grown. It means 3 or 4 feet height. But the monkey's lifespan is 25 to 30 years. And that's why at the age of the 10, they've fully grown, 6 feet heighted. So here, the thing we have here, this is the new things that you will learn. The lifespan of between Tarzan and whom? His brothers and sisters. Right? His brothers and sisters lifespan is how much? Only 25 to 30 years old. And that's why their height is 6 feet. While our lifespan is 90 to 100 years. And that's why we grown very slowly. So here another thing that very common, that his brothers and sisters at the age of the same his age, they are 6 feet heighted, while he was only half grown boy. It means 3 or might be 3.5 feet his height. Yet such a boy. But he was a boy. Now see that he was a human being. That's why. Otherwise, it's not possible. If he is apes, so we know that he is also fully grown like an ape. From early childhood, he had used his hands to swing from branch to branch, following the examples of his mother, Kala. So, what was the height of the apes at the 10 years? So, the height of the apes at the age of the 10 years was 6 feet. What had Tarzan done at the early childhood? So, he had to use to his hand to swing from branch to branch, right? He followed. To whom he followed? So he followed his mother, Kala. So here the question, who was Tarzan's mother? Kala. Now we have a question, sir, how can we say that Kala is an ape? Kala is an ape, and we here the writer considered ape as a mother of the human being. But we all know that if a wild animal, and if the pet is in our home, from the babyhood you take care of that pet. Now what is the thing? That pet is totally depend on you, and that pet loves you too much. Here the same way, might be Kala got Tarzan from any place, and it is a very small baby, right? Tarzan was a small boy. So she realized that it is my child, and that's why she took care of Tarzan very much, and she believes that Tarzan was my son. That's why here the writer says that Kala was his mother. As he grew older, he spent hour upon hour speeding through the tree tops with his brothers and sister. So what did he do when Tarzan grew up? So when he grew up, most of the time he spent what? Speeding through the tree tops with his brother and sister. It means one tree to another tree. He tried to speed He was an excellent climber from his brothers and sisters. He has a lots of speed instead of the abs. He proved himself in that way. His life among these fierce apes has been happy. Fierce and strong and powerful enough to be frightening. His life is what? That very happy that he was not afraid of the any others, and his life among these fierce apes had been happy. And that's why the apes are also fierce from him, that he was an excellent climber and he never gave up. He did not remember any other life, nor did he know that there was a big world filled with the strange and new things outside his little forest. So see that I told you the questions, that why did Tarzan not remember any other life, right? So why? Because from the early childhood to till 10 years, he spent his life in around the forest only. In the forest, not around, in the forest. So obviously, he did not see outside of the forest life. Even he never remember also that there was a big world which is filled with the strange and new things outside of the little forest. He thinks what? There is one proverb in Hindi, right? Kuwe ka mendak, right? Same way, a frog also only believe that the well is only their world. Why? Because he spent his total life into the well. Same way, this Tarzan also spent 10 years into the forest. He spent his time only climbing the trees, sleeping and searching of the food, right? Just only the work of him. And that is the thing is what? He did not remember any other life of the outside of the forest. He was nearly 10 before he started to realize that a great difference existed between himself and his brothers and sisters. See that. What was Tarzan realized before 10 years? Right, when he became the 10 years, and nowadays he was 10 years, but before he realized that he was totally different from his brothers and sisters. Right, totally different. Because why? That his brother and sister, his body is totally black. Right? Then might be the brownish color. Their height is too much long, while I am a half-grown boy. He realized the thing. He was totally different from his brothers and sisters. He even sometimes also said to him, they have a tail. Why did I not have a tail? Right? So he realized these things before the age of the 10 years. And that's why he did not resemble the great ape at all. What did he realize? That I am not resemble, look like, right? I am not look like the apes. I am not look like my brothers and sisters. Why? Because, and he want to try to change this by plastering himself from head to foot with the mud. Now plastering himself means covering himself. So how did Tarzan try to resemble as apes? So how did that? He was plastering himself with the mud. Right? Mud, we all know that. Right? He tried to himself covering with the mud, plastering himself from head to toe. He covering himself with the mud. But what happened? But this dried and fell off. Now obviously, when it is wet, that time it is stick on your skins. But when it's dry, then what is it? It was fell off. Why? Because it was dry. And because of the dryness, this thing is fell off. And that time once again, oh, I am not look like my brothers and sisters. Besides, it felt so uncomfortable that he quickly decided that he preferred the shame of being so different to the discomfort of the drying mud. See, that was a very beautiful line the writer used. Beside, now what happened? He felt so uncomfortable. He felt uncomfortable when this mud fell off from his body, and quickly decided that he preferred the shame of being so different. He believes that shame on me, that I am not look like my brothers and sisters, and different to this comfort of drying mud. And why did he feeling? Because discomfort of the drying the mud. That's why he feeling discomfortable or uncomfortable. In the higher land, which his tribe liked to visit. Now, what did Tarzan's tribe like? So, in the higher land, Tarzan tribe liked to visit a little lake. So, here the question, what is the tribe? Here it means family. right? It means the apes, they are visiting. They visited where? Into the lake. It was on sultry day of the dry season that had gone down to the bank to drink. Sultry means uncomfortably warm and slightly wet air. Right, into the air there is a humus, humid, and it is a warm day. Right, and that's why it is very warm day, and even the season is very dry, and that's why they had gone down to the bank to the drink of, gone down to the lake for the drinking water. As he leaned over, now leaned over means what? He bent himself. What it? His little face was reflected in the still water. Now still water, it means the water is totally still, very clean water, and there was one reflection of the features like the of the little human boy. There is one reflection, and the reflection is whom? Tarzan's reflection, right? He clearly see his face into the on the reflection. It means on the water, and it was his reflection. So here, students, I completed my first part, or it means second part of this unit. From tomorrow, I will teach you the adventures. How did he fight? How did he fight with lioness? Right? How did he save his life from the lioness? This thing I will teach you tomorrow. Students, I hope you have to understand this lesson properly. This part of the video, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.